Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. If you guys did not catch my last video, I did say that if it got 400 likes, I would go bald. And here I am bald. I feel so stupid. I have the weirdest head shape ever. Like, what is that? Oh my god. So Holmes, trucha. Oh my god. Now that that's out of the way, let's check out this new car part that I got. What could it be? God, I can't stand how ugly I look. I'm so bald. If you guys couldn't tell already, it's actually not real. I didn't say that I would shave my head and go bald. I just said I'll go bald. It's just one of those bald caps. It's not perfect, guys. Still funny nonetheless. But let's check out this box. I honestly don't know what this could be. I kind of forget the things that I get sent to me, you know? Like, sometimes it's just random things. Let's see what this could be. God damn it, Jordan. Why did you have to wrap this up so good? Woo. Here it is, guys. The best carbon fiber fenders for the 3rd gen Lexus IS. Ooh, damn, these are quality. I got these from TansoWerkz. Oh. Huge shout out to my boys, Jordan and Nick, for hooking it up and sponsoring this video. Oh man, I'm probably like the 2nd person to have these, I think. I don't know if you guys can tell. Basically, it's like the RCF style vent without the side skirt, because this actually attaches to the side skirt and it becomes one piece. But I wanted this, and I've been telling Nick to make this for so long and that I would get them, mainly because I have black pearl side skirts. It's not that I don't like his other versions, it's just because I already have side skirts that I'm really content with. These are so sick. He told me like 8 months ago, yeah, I'm gonna come out with one without the side skirt, and it's finally here. Just me and him talking back and forth, finally got it, and it looks so good. He did tell me that there was a tiny little defect right here. I personally don't mind because he already knows that I'm gonna paint match all of this anyways. I just wanted this vent, and it's an actual functional vent. That is sick. Huge thank you to TansoWerkz. If you guys want anything from them, link will be in the description below. Use the promo code Jason Nguyen YT. It'll be down there as well to get a discount. And dude, their parts are quality. Ever since I found Nick and Jordan, I've been going through them for every little carbon fiber thing that I needed. Like my carbon fiber shift knob, they even do airbag covers. This is just so nice. This is the only one that's cracked, by the way. The other one isn't, but I just want to show you guys different angles. It's not like it's wide or anything, it just mimics the OEM fender, but it has that vent. You guys already know, I'm not a huge fan of exposed carbon, so I was thinking paint match everything. Leave this part carbon, maybe throw the F Sport badge there, or just leave it. You know, I don't really mind. Kind of a stupid thing, but I was wondering if I believe it's Novel Japan. I was wondering if their little carbon fiber vent piece right here, that's ridiculously overpriced by the way, fits onto this, because that would be kind of cool because it gives like little fins, so it's like a little accent. If not, I'm cool with just rocking like this. I feel like this is what I've needed the most because I have so much shit on my car, but I never had fenders. And I know a lot of you guys did mention back in the day, like, why don't you get the Carbon fenders or do like molded fender vents and drop them in. All those were really cool, but they were still a little too expensive. I love the Carbon ones. I was gonna get them and paint match them in a way that I've never seen anyone do. But then I talked to Nick, and Nick was like, I'm gonna try to make these for you. And dude, they came out perfect. Thank you guys so much. It was either this was gonna be amazing or be a dud and I get Carbon, but I'm really, really glad that these came out amazing. I believe this is detachable as well, I'm not sure. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Typical carbon fiber. It definitely is detachable, but I'm not gonna get into that because I don't need it detached. Nice. All right, guys, both fenders are out. Looks amazing. Such a shame that I'm gonna paint match, huh? I don't know what it is with me and paint match, I just really like it. Makes the car look more sleek. But can you guys imagine this on my car? It would look so nice.
Rồi.
Do you like my hair?
Làm gì? Nghĩ gì vậy?
I'm bald.
Tại sao cạo gì vậy? Oh, you surprise me. Oh my god, cái này con làm không?
You're far away though.
Oh my god, yeah, you scare me.
You don't think my head looks weird, like an egg?
Nuôi cái đầu của con tròn nó giống y chang.
It looks like upside down egg. You get the bottom of the egg and you put it on top.
You have a nice hair. Why you do that?
So you're saying I look ugly?
For a picture, for fun is okay, but not forever.
Well, I guess my parents both think I look better with hair. My mom was saying I have nice hair, so why do I even want to go bald? I'm ugly. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really want to take this off, and the carbon fiber fenders, they're not going to be installed today. I know usually when I do an unboxing video I install it, but with these I want to paint match them. I don't want to just throw them on and see how they fit. Unfortunately, I can't throw it on even if I wanted to spend the money right now, because I am going to be at, what's that car show? See, this is how you know I don't go to car shows. I don't even know the name of the car show that I'm going to be in. Elite Tuner, SoCal, Evo, something. Whatever car show is this Saturday, that's the one that I'm going to be in. I think it's in Anaheim. Correct me if I'm wrong. It might be like something SoCal, Evo. I don't know. Honestly, I'm so bad with car shows, but I'm going to be there with All Aspects crew. If you guys want to come by our booth, kick it. We will be there. It is this Saturday, I think, because we're setting up Friday. Has to be Saturday, right? If not Sunday, it's this weekend, guys. I'm sorry. I'll find out more about it. I'll throw a flyer of it right here. This is how you know I don't go to car shows. I'm sorry. But if you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed me being bald, I kept my word. I didn't say I was going to shave my head, but I did say I was going to go bald. Like this video, give it a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I honestly forgot how to YouTube because I totally went off track of why I'm not installing these. It's because I'm going to be at the car show and there's no way I'm going to get this installed and painted on time. Sorry for the lack of information, guys. I have no hair now, so I can't think. But that is going to be a wrap. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. I look so dumb. Oh, later. When the world needed me most,